In a world where the average person drifts through life like a ship lost at sea, disconnected from any clear purpose or ambition, there emerges a powerful voice that shatters the silence. Earl Nightingale, a pioneer of personal development and motivation, Nightingale dared to delve deep into the very essence of human potential, revealing a staggering truth that resonates through the ages. We become what we think about. It's a concept as simple as it is profound, yet so many live their lives locked in a cycle of mediocrity, shackled by doubt and the expectations of a world that often seems more interested in conformity than greatness. The reality is hauntingly clear. True transformation begins within. What if you discovered the untapped reservoir of strength and creativity that lies dormant within you? Nightingale's teachings beckon you to explore this potential, urging you to acknowledge your inherent ability to shape your own destiny. Imagine waking up each day imbued with a fierce determination, fueled by the knowledge that your thoughts, guided by clarity and purpose, can manifest into reality. It's not about waiting for luck or a favorable circumstance. It's about taking ownership of your life, digging deep into your mind, and unleashing the power that has always been yours. The path to greatness does not require special tools or blessings. It requires only unwavering belief in yourself and relentless action toward your goals. As you embrace this journey, you will discover that your inner strength can conquer any obstacle the outside world throws your way. The possibilities are endless, waiting just beyond the horizon of your current mindset, and all it takes is the commitment to start thinking differently. Stay with me, and let's dive into this transformative experience together. Your future self is counting on you to take that first step. Imagine standing on the brink of a new horizon, filled with the electric anticipation of what's possible. Every thought you entertain is a seed, and it's time to cultivate the garden of your mind. Most people wander through life with weeds of self-doubt and fear choking their potential, never realizing that they can choose to change the landscape of their internal world. Visualize your mind as a canvas, ready for vibrant colors, each stroke representing a positive thought, a goal set, a dream cherished. Nightingale teaches us that clarity is the foundation atop which you build your dreams. When you define what you truly want, it's like setting a compass that guides you through the fog. Instead of aimlessly floating, you chart your course with intention, each decision aligning with your vision. Think of it as designing a treasure map. The more details you sketch out, the specific goals, the emotions attached to them, the steps needed, the clearer the pathway becomes. Take a moment to acknowledge your unique spark, that innate brilliance waiting to burst forth. Let go of the narrative that tells you it's too late to change, or that you're not capable. Every successful individual started somewhere, often from a place of uncertainty. Channel that energy into positive action. Each small step toward your goals ignites a chain reaction of growth and possibility. Remember, the moment you claim your dreams is the moment you begin to carve your own destiny. Let's harness that power together and watch as the unimaginable becomes your reality. As you embark on this exciting journey of self-discovery, let's explore the concept of belief, your belief in yourself. This isn't just a passing thought. It's the bedrock of your success. Picture a bridge. On one side lies where you are now, and on the other, the life you dream of. The strength of that bridge hinges on how firmly you believe in your ability to cross it. If self-doubt pulls at your confidence, the bridge wobbles, making it harder to take that crucial step forward. But what if you decided to reinforce that bridge? Every time you acknowledge and celebrate small victories, you lay down stronger beams of belief. Have you ever noticed how encouraging words from others can lift your spirits? Now, turn that support inward. Start speaking kindly to yourself. Become your own biggest cheerleader. Every compliment you give yourself, every positive affirmation you repeat, builds the foundation of your belief. Visualize this reinforced bridge becoming a solid pathway to your dreams. On the other side lies the security of your future, illuminated by your achievements. As you learn to trust in your capabilities, challenges transform into stepping stones. No longer are they hurdles. They are opportunities waiting for you to assert your strength and creativity. Embrace this belief deeply and powerfully. Feel it course through your veins. With each mile traveled, you'll realize that the only limit is the horizon of your own ambition. The adventure of a lifetime is yours to seize. As you continue along this journey, let's delve into the transformative power of action. Dreaming is essential, but without the fuel of movement, dreams remain just that. Fleeting thoughts in a busy mind. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast field, filled with seeds of potential. You can visualize the crops growing, but until you sow those seeds and tend to them, they will never flourish. Action is the sun and water that nurtures those dreams into reality. Every small step you take ignites momentum. Perhaps it's waking up just 15 minutes earlier to read a book that inspires you, or dedicating a few minutes each day to practice a new skill. These seemingly trivial actions accumulate, creating a powerful tide that propels you forward. Remember, even the tallest tree began as a tiny seed. Celebrate each step, no matter how small, for they are the building blocks of your journey. Now, picture a vivid scene where each step you take evokes excitement. With every action, you release fragments of energy that magnetize opportunities toward you. Suddenly, people notice your passion. Doors begin to open. You become a force, radiating potential, attracting like-minded individuals and experiences that align with your vision. The more you act, the more the world will conspire to support you. Your efforts send ripples through your life, reshaping the landscape around you. Embrace the thrill of movement. The adventure is just beginning, and you're the one steering your ship toward new horizons. As you make strides along your path of transformation, let's take a moment to reflect on the role of resilience in your journey. Life will undoubtedly present challenges, those unexpected storms that threaten to toss you off course. But remember, it's not the storm that defines you, it's how you respond to it. Picture a sturdy oak tree, bent but not broken by the wind. This is your spirit, a testament to your resilience. When faced with setbacks, instead of retreating, think of it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Every stumble can teach you something valuable, like a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Embrace the challenges as part of your story. When you encounter obstacles, instead of feeling defeated, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? This simple shift in perspective equips you with the tools to tackle future storms with confidence. Visualize each adversity as a stepping stone that builds your character. With every challenge overcome, you develop a new layer of strength. Celebrate your resilience as a badge of honor. Let it empower you to push forward. As you cultivate this robust mindset, you'll find that resilience doesn't just help you survive the storms. It transforms you into a beacon of hope for others. Your journey will inspire those around you, showing them that resilience is within reach. Embrace the storms, for they will only make you stronger and more capable of achieving your dreams. As you progress on this exhilarating journey, let's explore the importance of community and connection in achieving your dreams. While the path to personal growth is deeply individual, remember that no one has to walk it alone. Imagine standing in a garden, surrounded by a diverse array of flowers, each vibrant bloom representing a unique person in your life. Together, they create a beautiful tapestry of support, inspiration, and shared experiences. Building connections is like planting seeds of collaboration. Seek out those who uplift and encourage you. These relationships become vital nutrients that nurture your ambitions. Each interaction can fuel your fire, adding perspective and insight that you may not have considered on your own. Think about the moments when a friend or mentor shared their wisdom or inspired you to see your potential. Those are the sparks of motivation that can ignite your drive. Engage with communities, whether it's local groups, online forums, or professional networks. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share similar dreams multiplies your energy exponentially. As you share experiences, celebrate successes, and tackle challenges together, you forge bonds that are unbreakable. These connections foster collaboration, innovation, and a sense of belonging, each person contributing their unique strengths and perspectives. So, extend your hand and embrace the power of community. Harness the collective wisdom that brings you closer to your goals. Remember, together, you can create a wave of positive change that reverberates far beyond your individual journey. As you navigate through the rich tapestry of your personal growth, let's now dive into the transformative power of gratitude. Imagine gratitude as a radiant light that illuminates even the darkest corners of your life, amplifying positivity and reducing negativity. It's easy to focus on what's lacking, but what if you shifted your attention to the abundance already present? Begin each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice rewires your brain to recognize the good, fostering a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Picture a warm sunrise, casting golden rays of light across a vibrant landscape. Each ray represents an aspect of your life worth celebrating. The love of friends, the comfort of home, or even the ability to experience joy in small moments. As you cultivate gratitude, you empower yourself to embrace life's journey wholeheartedly, fueling a deeper sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Reflect on the connections gratitude creates. When you express appreciation to others, you not only lift their spirits, but also strengthen your bonds. Think of a heartfelt thank you, a compliment that brightens someone's day, or an acknowledgement of a kindness received. These gestures ripple outward, encouraging a culture of positivity and support in your community. As you practice gratitude, notice how it transforms your perspective. Challenges feel less daunting, and opportunities become clearer. Welcome this potent energy into your life, letting it propel you toward your dreams. Embrace the richness that gratitude brings, and watch as your world expands in beautiful, unexpected ways. Imagine standing at the cusp of a great adventure, your heart racing with exhilaration, fueled by the infinite possibilities that await you. This is the moment when you realize that growth isn't just about achieving goals. It's about embracing the journey itself. Each experience, whether triumphant or challenging, is a lesson that shapes who you are. Life is a grand tapestry woven from your choices, your reflections, and the richness of every encounter. Instead of fearing uncertainty, open your arms to the unknown. Picture it as a vast, open sea, brimming with opportunities just waiting for you to explore. Every wave of doubt can be transformed into a moment of curiosity. What if you approached every challenge with the mindset of a curious explorer? Instead of hesitating at the edge of your comfort zone, take that leap. The horizon may appear distant, but every courageous step draws you closer to your dreams. Commit to being a lifelong learner. Seek out new experiences, whether it's picking up a new hobby, traveling to a different place, or simply engaging in conversations with diverse people. Each new insight adds layers to your understanding and nuance to your perspective. The world is vast, and so is your capacity to grow. Dive into this adventure with enthusiasm, knowing that every challenge you face is a stepping stone leading you to a future full of promise and wonder. The best is yet to come. As you stand at the culmination of this transformative journey, take a moment to reflect on the incredible growth you've experienced. Each step you've taken has been a strand woven into the vibrant fabric of your life. And now, it's time to celebrate your newfound strength and clarity. Embrace the powerful realization that the journey doesn't end here. It evolves. You are equipped with the tools to navigate future challenges with confidence and a sense of adventure. Imagine opening the door to a vast new world filled with opportunities. Each day, you have the chance to script your narrative. The universe is ready to co-create with you, supporting your dreams as you take inspired action. Remember that the simple act of sharing your journey not only inspires others, but also reinforces your own commitment to growth. So, if you felt a spark ignite within you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button to join our community, where we continuously explore the boundless possibilities of self-discovery together. Leave a comment or share this inspiration with friends and family who could benefit from this journey. Your voice matters, and together we can amplify our potential. Thank you for sharing this adventure with me. The road ahead is glowing with promise, and I can't wait to see the extraordinary paths you'll carve out. Go forth, ignite your passions, and remember, your dreams are waiting for you to chase them. Let's embark on this next chapter, side by side.